Today, we will talk about general tension in the world, and we will continue talking about how to scalp crashing markets. We will do a top-down analysis as usual with the best scalping strategy along with the best trading view indicator. If you're ready, let's do this. Before we start trading, we must talk about what is happening in the world. Nowadays, there is an unending tension between United States, Russia, and the Middle East. And this tension highly affects all the markets in the world. Gold loves this environment. Gold is an uncertainty and tension digger. Any kind of war signs creates quick jumps on the gold prices. Bitcoin is supposed to be the digital gold replacing the physical gold. However, coins are just like crybabies. They smile you for a minute and the next they start crying and screaming. However, I am still quite bullish on the coins for 2024. And the stock markets definitely hate any tensions in the world. Just check the Nasdaq right now. It is crashing. Stocks are extremely profitable instruments. However, if they sense any kind of uncertainty, any kind of political tension in the world, they pull back really hard. So, in crashing days like nowadays, I try not to long the asset so much. Instead, looking at the top losers. And this coin, BeamX, got my attention quickly. First of all, it was the number one top losers of the day. In the weekly, it felt like it may try to fill this imbalance here. In this daily, I also noticed this BPR area, so I had mixed feelings here. This coin can drop a lot, but also it can pump quickly from this imbalance area as well. So, what kind of signs gave me the confidence to take a short trade, even if it was a quick one? It was the momentum layout. I noticed in the momentum layout, this coin was already crashing. It was doing a pullback to this 3 different time imbalances. The rest was easy for me. All I need to do was to watch the price and look for suitable entry points and take really quick short trades in and out, in and out. This yellow area is where we analyze the lower time frames. So, this was the point of the price taps, the 30-minute, 1 hour and 2 hour imbalances. What happens here? Let's see. First, price also taps the 15-minute imbalance as well in this area. It also sweeps the inner liquidity area with these equal highs. And right here, the inner small structure shifts with a small 3-minute inner BPR. This was the place that I had noticed this coin had a great setup, take a quick short trade. Remember, we always take quick shorts because we do not know what's going to happen next. Get your money and get out of the market quickly. What about if you took a lazy man's large trade? Let's assume that you have zero patience and shorted this coin directly with this inner market structure break. Notice how much the price pulls back here, up until filling the small balanced price range. Some days it will never pull back, and some days it will pull back extremely deep. No one knows this for sure. I do not know. This is why we use the protected high as the most secure stop loss point possible. Because it can pull back and we have no idea how much and when. I hope that this trade session gave you clarity on trading and scalping. See you next time, friends. Take care. It is almost weekend. Try to take a break and rest some.